What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and I have a very, very special video for you guys today because I have my man LJ Aviles back on the program again. I think this is probably like your third appearance on my channel, two or three.
I don't know. It might have been. I think it's about the third now. I know we've done a couple solo ads, but we're doing something a little different today, so it's going to
Yeah,
be
yeah,
awesome.
definitely.
And yo,
So,
what's going on, guys? It's great to see you here, be on John's channel again.
yeah, so if you guys aren't familiar with LJ, I actually met him through his solo ads. The guy is like a solo adologist. He has sent hundreds of thousands of clicks. We actually recently did a video about solo ads and how to profit with solo ads. I'll actually leave that video in the description below so you guys can check it out. But this guy is a beast at solo ads as well as he is an affiliate marketer. Now, recently, LJ has created a system. He actually creates these systems that he uses for himself, and then he actually puts other people on too so they can actually make money. And he recently told me about a system. He calls it Triple S. It stands for the Stupid Simple System. Is that right?
Stupid simple system, yes, because it's so stupid simple to use and make money with.
So Triple S, guys. And so he's been telling me about this system, and I've been kind of sitting back and watching him from afar and just kind of seeing what he's been doing with the system. And every day he's just been kind of updating me on some of his results. And so I wanted you guys to actually get an opportunity to see the system for yourself because it's in fact free and it looks like it's producing a lot of results.
Hmm.
So what I want to do today, guys, is we're going to talk to LJ. We're going to pick his brain. He's going to walk us through Triple S and how you get access to it and tell us a little bit more about what it's about and the results that you've actually gotten with the system.
Yep. So the whole concept behind Triple S, Stupid Simple System, is I wanted to make it a really easy way for people to make money online. And lot of my leads, there's a couple things I always hear. One, they don't know how to get started, or when they join a business opportunity or they go through a training course, they struggle to get through it or whatever. And the other part is sometimes they just don't have the money, and especially with everything going on, people losing their jobs and getting laid off, they just legitimately don't have the funds
Right.
to invest in something. And there's a difference in clientele. And I know our audience, your audience, I should say, especially, they're very intelligent people. And obviously they're watching your videos
Yes.
and you got a great tribe behind you. And there's difference between freebie seekers and people who are just generally struggling. There's
Right.
people who don't want to invest in anything because they're just afraid to have like they don't have skin in the game, I call it. Once you invest in something with your money, that's really when you're really going to do something. Because even me, I've been given free courses and free systems to use. And if it's given to me free, a lot of times I don't use it
Right.
because it's free. It's almost like the value's not there. But if I invest in something, I give it all my effort. If I'm investing like $100 or $200 into a business opportunity, I'm going to do my work to make sure I make that money back and some.
Of course.
But if I'm giving something for free, a lot of times I might take a look at it, but I just don't take it as serious.
Mm-hmm.
And that's so keeping that in mind, I wanted something where I want to give, but then on the other side of the coin is there's people who don't have the cash right now. Not that they're not hardworking, they just genuinely don't have the money, or it's either invest in a business or buy groceries. Go buy groceries. Feed your family, take care of your family
Right.
first. So I was trying to find a happy medium and been planning something for the past few months. And a lot of my affiliates and people who generally don't have money, or I'm promoting a business opportunity or whatever, they're like, I don't have the money. I say, okay, how about we do this? How about you be an affiliate for my solo ad traffic? I give you training, I give you everything you need, and I give one of my courses to learn how to generate leads online and everything, and have people go through. And a lot of my success has been through affiliates. Now, I do partner with some bigger affiliates, to be open and honest as well, who have big teams and everything, and they send me they recommend my traffic to their team.
Right.
So they earn a commission and I earn a solo ad client, and it's a win-win, so it works out good that way. But I wanted to be able to create something for someone more who is just a beginner, doesn't have a big audience, doesn't have a following or anything. So and to take another step back, when I first got started, with network marketing was in the industry, you always hear of team duplication, team duplication, team duplication. Because when you're able to duplicate success that you have, then your other team can use those exact same tools and have success.
Right.
So all that going through my head, and to make it as easy as possible, I'm like, I need to make something that's just simple. This is so stupid simple that anyone could do it. I could give it to like my daughter and she could use, And I was like, why don't I just call it Stupid Simple System, Triple S? So that's where the name came from.
Okay.
And the concept and the way it works is like the base of it is I want to create something similar to be, to have people be affiliates of my traffic. So, which is great, but then the next question was, well, how are they going to find clients to buy traffic? Mm-hmm. Well, then let me, then that's where the whole concept of if I build a kind of business opportunity idea around it, around my solo ad traffic, so people can promote my solo ad traffic to people who need a system. So I'm like, okay, now I got to build a system and make it like an all-in-one thing.
Right.
That's where the whole concept came from. And in short, basically, we give away a free membership site to the system, and inside there are a few upsell options, and that's where people make money. Okay. Now, if you legitimately don't have money, you can sign up for free, claim your free membership, start promoting the system, and then I do all the work as well to help close sales for you.
Okay.
So when people come in, they claim their free membership. Step one is you get an affiliate link, and step two is send traffic. I mean, there's no simpler business model out there.
Okay.
You get a link, you send traffic, and the system does the rest of the work, including myself.
So what are you doing exactly in terms of when you're saying I'm doing the rest of the work? What does that actually entail?
Great question. So some of the work I do is a big key that people struggle with is email follow-up. Okay, so when people claim their free memberships, I'm going to be emailing your leads for like the next next week or two or however long. I kind of keep adding to this autoresponder, but I follow up with your leads for you, promoting the system, sending them back to the members area. Because once they have a free membership site, they go right to the members area and they can get their link. They can buy traffic. They can buy upgrades. There's a couple things they can do in there.
Okay.
And I constantly send people back to the members area to use the system as a reminder. People need repetition. And then one day I'll focus emails on, hey, you might want to look at upsell 1 and here's some benefits for you, why it might be helpful for you. Or you might look at upsell 2 and how this is a way for you to make even more money, that kind of stuff. And while you personally or whoever may not have the money to invest in that right now, you can still earn a commission from the leads you send in. You'll still earn a 50% commission on any of those upsells.
On those upsells, okay.
Exactly. And from the inside the system, even if they don't buy any upsells and they buy traffic, because the hardest part is people need traffic. So if they buy traffic, you will also earn a 25% commission on any traffic packages purchased, any of the solo ad packages inside.
Okay.
So it's legitimately free. You don't have to invest a dime to make money.
Gotcha.
And I actually just had one of my clients say she signed up and she already made her first $21 sale, or $21 commission, I should say.
Like ever?
So she was super happy. She said, it's the first money I've made online ever.
Wow. Okay.
I was like, that's so awesome.
Right.
I love hearing those success stories of people who never made a dime online and all of a sudden they make their first sales and it's using my systems. And she joined, I think she did get an upgrade, but she didn't have to. She just wanted to take it to the next level, which is great.
Gotcha.
But when she did, she followed the steps and made money.
Cool. So if I'm getting this right, so the system itself is free. It's a free membership, free system, and then there are some upgrades within the system, as well as you actually integrate your traffic packages, your solo ad packages that people can also sign up to be an affiliate with and also earn commissions. And they're getting 50% commissions all the way through the funnel. And then what percentage of commissions on your traffic?
25% on the traffic.
25% on traffic. That's pretty good. Okay, so that makes sense. Now, my other question is, you said that you'll be managing the lead flow. So someone really doesn't need a squeeze page in order to market your system. I guess my question is, if they wanted to build their list, do you have a component to put a squeeze page there for them, or would they be able to? Would they have to put a squeeze page up for themselves? I guess my question is.
So I always recommend build your own list.
Yeah.
100%. If you can, build your own list. Your level of experience, you have a landing page, capture autoresponder, and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Absolutely build your own list. And then your thank you page can be the free system
The
page.
system. Okay.
It's the sign up link.
Okay.
100%. That's always what I recommend. For people who don't have an autoresponder and all that, you can just send traffic directly to the membership, the free sign up,
Okay.
because I've optimized it to almost look like a lead capture page. And there's exit pops to kind of help capture sales. So you can send some cold solo ad traffic to it. You won't get as many signups as if you actually sent to like a lead capture page, where you capture leads and follow up every send, of course. However, if someone brand new, you can still send directly to the page and have a good chance of getting at least some free members into the system. And once those free members into the system, they claim their free membership. That's when I do the follow-up work for them. My autoresponder follows up with your leads for you, helps convert them to sales and everything like that.
Now, how is all that tracked? So say I don't have a squeeze page, I don't have an autoresponder, but I want to try to get it started for free and start getting some traffic to this page. How are my sales tracked?
So everything is built within the Warrior Plus platform.
Okay.
So when you claim your free membership, so you send a lead to the system and they claim their free membership, that lead is now hard-coded to you. Okay. Their account is tied towards you as an affiliate. So any of the upsells that they buy, it could be a month from now, and they buy or buy solo ad traffic or buy one of the upsells, you'll get the commission for that at that point. And that's the nice thing about Warrior Plus, is because it hard codes that lead to you. So it allows me to follow up with your lead for the next week or two or a month or however long. And maybe down the line, it might be 2 weeks from now, and they eventually, you know what, I need upgrade number 3. I think it's a great option. Let me go for it.
Okay.
And then boom. So it's a chance for you to make some like long-term residual commissions without even realizing it. Like, that's just me. And the reason I built this is because I'm doing this work for myself anyway. I'm sending out emails. I'm already doing all the real work that takes to have a successful internet marketing business, email marketing, follow-ups, conversions, all that kind of stuff that I don't want to get into right now.
Yeah.
So I'm already doing that. Why not do it for you?
Right.
So, and that's what I built. So you get your leads and they become free members. You're hard-coded. I'm already doing the work anyway, so I might as well do it for you also.
Cool. Yep. So I think I got it. So for people that just really want hands-free and just get an affiliate link and send traffic to it, this is like a great system. And then even for people that are more advanced or intermediate marketers that want to build their own squeeze page, build their list, and then send directly to your system, this is still a great opportunity. And it's a free system. So could we take a look at it, maybe like the sales page of it, and then maybe you can kind of share some of your results?
Absolutely. And right before I get to that, I do want to mention one of the upgrades. There are 3 upgrades within the system, and one of them is for advanced training. So if it is a newbie and they want to build their own email list and all that kind of stuff and learn a little bit more advanced so that they can make more money in the long run,
in there.
We do offer advanced training. There's some bonuses in there as well, which, to spill the beans a little bit, including one of John's courses, to be honest, one of the bonuses. John, I was telling him about it. He wanted to be able to give back to this audience, and he really enjoyed what I was building. And he's like, you know what? If it helps you out, I think you go ahead and give away that as a bonus for one of the upgrades. So the first upgrade would include John's course as well as my advanced training, and there's some other stuff in there. Cool. So I wanted to make it so those who want to get started, they're really going to get the tools they need to really start being able to make money long term.
Right.
So I'm going to share my screen over here, so you can see. So I'm right here in my back office of Warrior Plus. You can see Life Coach LJ. And as of the time of this recording, there's been no sales today. However, there's been 19 quote-unquote sales, but they're actual free signups. There's a free member. So me and my affiliates and everyone else working together, this is all us doing this together. So this isn't all just my income, which is nice. It's nice to be able to share this with people who are brand new and be able to do this together. Okay. So far we've generated 19 free signups, and they're going to be going through the system and all that. And the truth is, the key is in the follow. So that's usually when people eventually buy. It's not always right off the bat.
I understand.
And yesterday we generated $122 in revenue, paid out about $6 to my affiliates. And the last 7 days, we've made about $2,000 in revenue from the system. and paid out about $486 to my affiliates.
Okay.
So that's awesome. Including on the 21st was like a really good day. I paid out. We grossed $1,000. That was the first time in Warrior Plus I had $1,000 day.
Cool.
I've had $1,000 days other places and other systems I developed, but within Warrior
Plus. Right. Yeah, that's awesome, man.
It's a huge thanks to my affiliates. I was able to pay out $300 to people, like you, my affiliates, the people watching, and my team for using my systems. That's awesome. And in the past 7 days, we paid out almost $500. Like that makes me happy. Like I wanna pay out $10,000 if I can. Like to be able to pay it forward and have people having that much success using my systems. That's awesome.
And keep in mind, these aren't big affiliates. These are just beginners.
Mm-hmm.
These aren't like people with huge lists and audiences and stuff like that.
Correct. Yeah. Okay. Like people using the system is pretty much brand new. Maybe somewhat intermediate. But that's the people using the system and making this kind of money.
Yeah. And
in the past 30 days, we've crossed $8,000, which is great. And I'm not sure exactly how much paid out. I'd have to look at stats and stuff, but there's probably a few grand I've paid out to my affiliates in the past 30 days. And that's just awesome. That really makes me happy to be able to pay it like that. So when I know there'll be a link in the description of this video. Once you go there, you'll be taken here to the Stupid Simple System site. Again, 100% free system to make money while I do all the work. Boom, right there. You just claim your free member proof from different days, different time periods. As you can see in this 30-day time period, I made $5,000 as a team, with my affiliates. In this one, 30-day period, $4,000. 4,800, 259 this day, 521 that day, 698 that day. So as you can see, these are all different days. These are all different time periods. This is consistently happening.
Right.
And now with the system, you guys can partner with us. And it's real simple. Once you get into the members area, step 1, you get your affiliate link. Step 2, you send traffic. And we offer traffic packages if you have no way to get traffic. And you get paid on your referrals as upgrades and traffic investments. That's it. That's how it works.
Stupid simple system. Good
Super
stuff,
simple.
LJ. Congratulations on the success with it as well. It looks like it's doing very well.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And to give you a little preview of the members area so you can see inside, I have a welcome video here. Things will subscribe to my channel or my podcast and stuff. And step 1, get your affiliate link. Step 2, send traffic. That's it.
Pretty simple.
And on the right, you can see your sales dashboard. You can withdraw your earnings from your Warrior Plus wallet. You can see your stats. There's some other upgrade options down here, a free webinar to sign up for, and all the other upgrades as well.
Okay.
Just to give you a little preview of them, one of the upgrades is for advanced training. Like we said, it talked about John's training included as a bonus, my training as well. There's a step 5, which is a way to unlock a high ticket takeover. It's a way to unlock up to $1,000 commissions. Okay. So it just basically gives you an additional income stream inside the system from doing no extra work. It just unlocks that income stream.
Okay.
And step 6 is to become an elite member and be able to double your commissions. Basically, earn 100% commissions throughout the whole system. Like all the upgrades, you would have all the money coming to you. So basically, doubling your commissions from zero extra work. You're doing the work anyway. Gotcha. You just double your money. So those are the options, and that's it. Real simple. Stupid simple.
It is stupid simple, man. Mm-hmm. Well, I definitely appreciate you guys. I appreciate you for taking some time to share the system with us and kind of explain it to my audience. That really made a lot of sense. And guys, I actually have a link for you guys in the description for the Stupid Simple System. Triple S is actually free. A lot of people are making money. You can see that LJ's got some great results as well as his affiliates is getting results. So make sure you guys check out the system in the link in the description. And what's your channel, man? I know you got a YouTube channel.
Yep, it's LJ Aviles. It's just search my name, LJ Aviles, and you'll find my channel. We'll leave a link in the description
for his YouTube channel too. You can actually see some of his results. He's doing almost posting daily, a lot of his results of what he's earning in terms of this system and some other systems that he's promoting. So thank you again, LJ, for taking some time to share the system with us, and I'll be talking to you soon, man.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, John, and appreciate you allowing me to hang out with your tribe today.
Yes, sir.
And guys, always remember, you're just one side hustle away. Take care.
Take care, bro.